hann stendur þar, horfir á mig, telur mig, festir mig. All the painted figures have always existed. They were just concealed until the